For our ongoing class, we haven't even started our class. This is our pre-class schmooze, and we're talking about the island strum and our curiosity how you guys have found ways, first of all, to do it and to explain it to somebody else, and then to fancy it up. It. Let me just mute myself real quick. The basic thing, and I'm just letting Deb in here. I'm just going to mute my strings with my left hand. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up. Or I'll just make a C. And Sherry, are you still there? Okay, Sherry disappeared. Let me just, can you,
Sorry, I just
no, that's okay. Can you just show us what you did there? Even if you can't explain it, just show us.
so I'm going to start with just the regular island strum, and then
Okay.
something else happens.
Very cool. Can you explain it?
Callie, she's just doing, instead of down, down, up, down, up, she's doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up.
There you go, Deb. There you go. There you
Just doubling
go.
it, yeah.
That's very cool. And I think what's also cool is that we were talking about that it's like miracles happen in music when we stop thinking and we just hand it over to our fingers, and then they come up with this thing and we're going, oh my God, what was that? And then we get to analyze what's happening. You know, a couple of the other fancies that I do with the island strum is I add a brush or a roll technique. So I'm going down, down, brush up, down, brush up, down. And that brush technique, oh my God, I love this. I just was over the moon when someone actually showed me what this is all about, because it was such a mystery to me for a long time. The motion in my right hand is like a fan. So you could call this a fan, a brush, a roll, and I'm leading with my baby finger. Little counterintuitive, huh? So I'm running like this across the strings. Sounds a little sloppy, but there you go. So just thinking mathematically, that's 16 sounds, 4 fingers across 4 strings, which is a really big deal when you're playing an instrument that has 4 strings. So we're getting some oomph. So it's down, roll up, down, roll up, down, up, down. So I'm adding some rhythmic intensity to this. I was also watching, there's a wonderful teacher, Stu Fuchs. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly. He's just terrific. And he did something like this. Down, see, down. I'm still working on it. Down, down, up. That up part, down, 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 up. This is really outside my comfort zone. I'm coming up with the nail of my thumb. I never do that. I think this is leading more into the arena of flamenco, I think. So I'm going down, down, thump. And when I come up, I'm tapping my ukulele. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let me slow it down if you want to try it with me. 2, 3, 4, down, down, thump, up, down, down, so on. I would
Sounds like
imagine there's just so many possibilities. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Someone has a
sounds like you
question.
have a hiccup. I came up with
Try again.
an easier strum for me for
Okay,
Jolene.
okay.
This is something I guess when I used to play guitar.
Is
It's
it based on the island strum?
no.
Okay, let's wait. Tell you what, let's wait till we get to Jolene so that you
Okay.
can share that with us. Yeah, great idea. Now that's coming up, you guys. Any other ideas? Anybody else want to share? This is a variation on the island strum. Okay, well, there's some ideas for you guys.